That right there has 4 apartments inside. This is the world's thinnest apartment. This right here is the wall. So these are the stairs. The stairs are very vertical. And you have this little rail to hold on to, and trust me, you need that. All right. This is one of the apartments already, but the one we're going to is up here. All right, we're here. So, this is the door. Take our shoes off, because in Japan, you should never enter a house with shoes. Take these guys off. All right. And this is the apartment. Let's start off with the bathroom. So, this is the shower right here. There it is. All of this. I'm going to get into the bathtub. Here you go. So, if I'm in the mood for a bubble bath, that's what I have right there. Oh my God. All right, so let's go to the living room. Oh, actually, first, this is the kitchen. Your cooking station. You have 1 stove, 1 sink, and then you have a little fridge in there. But this is your apartment. This is your living area. In total, there's 11 square meters. That's 119 square feet. And yeah, this is where you sleep, this is where you chill, this is everything. But take a look at the view. How nice is this? And here you actually have surprisingly good storage. I think it's even good enough to sleep someone. I mean, if you bring a friend, look at that. I think someone can sleep here. So you guys might be wondering, like, this is nice, but where do you go to take care of your business? You know, where's the bathroom? Where's the actual toilet? So you got to go outside, push this, and it's actually right here. Remember, this is the thinnest side. So we were just on the other side. That's your master bathroom right there. And they've like completely made use of every last space. So toilet's there, and then that right there, the thinnest part of the entire apartment, is for your sink. So how much does something like this actually cost? Well, if you want to rent this place, it's about $266 a month. What do you guys think? Would you do it?